woke up again. Beautiful day. Read my book and I say, hey. Okay. You guys can pause and read it. I don't feel like reading it out loud. Ooh. I wonder... Oh, yeah, I should probably change my outfit. Let's see. Do I have any cute outfits I could wear? I think I'm coming up with something. Don't feel good. Why am I always talking to myself? I just want a really cute, outfit. Not skin, an outfit. Is this cute? Actually, I'll just wear this today. And change that. And anyway, it doesn't matter. Alright, I should probably get going. Now, what happened to that cat? Lucky! You finally decided to come back, I see. Sit. Stay there. I'm gonna go over to her house. First, I'm gonna text her. Hey, is it okay if I come over? Ding.
Sure. Ding.
Alright, perfect. Oh!
Whoa!
Hey, who are you?
Different. Oh, I'm the same girl.
Oh.
Sorry, look a little different, wearing a different outfit.
You finally changed your outfit.
I know. It was getting actually really dirty. My cat's hair was all over it.
I was wondering if you cleaned it.
Well, I got my money just in case we wanted to go get a pet. They're really cheap.
It's getting dark out already.
I know. I think it's just daylight savings. Because I really want to go to the pet store to get a new pet, even though I already have 3. But I have a problem with pets, okay?
Okay, hold on 1 second. Hello, sir. Goodbye. Hold on. That's not what I had to do. I had to look at my phone real quick. Okay, I got my mom to Venmo me the money, so, yeah.
Oh, it's really dark. Oh, maybe we should do this tomorrow.
Yeah, we should just probably go tomorrow. I just wanted to see you. Text me tonight, okay?
Totally will.
Alright, see ya.
See ya.
Lucky. You were such a bad kitty. That was the shortest day ever. I'm so tired, I'm not even gonna change out of my outfit. I'll just wear it again tomorrow. It's the morning. Oh, it's the morning. We can go hang out. Let me just text her. Hey, girl, I'm coming over. Ding.
Okay, ding.
All right. I wonder if she'll still be wearing the same outfit. Ding dong, ding dong.
Oh, she's here. Yes, actually, that's perfect.
Hey.
Hey, girl, hey.
Oops.
Sorry that I'm wearing the same outfit. Is it okay if I change really quick?
Yeah, sure, Clara. Clara is such a good girl. I love her. She's awesome. She's the best friend ever. Oops. Didn't want to do that. Where is she coming? Ugh, she's taking forever. I wonder if she even knows my name. Ooh, sorry, horsey. I wonder if she even knows my name. She never calls me by my name. She is taking years. Hey, can I just come in?
Sure.
Okay, so I'm just going to wait for you.
Sorry, I'm super sorry.
Why is your bed right by the door?
Oh, that's the guest bed.
Oh.
Didn't have a good place to put it.
Whee!
I don't like people sleeping so close to me.
You know, I actually feel ya. I used to have I still have a sister. Oh, that's a cute outfit.
Yeah, it's one of my costumes. Well, not one of my costumes, but my
What do you like to call it? Your Cinderella?
Yep.
It looks like you are Cinderella. It's cute.
Yep.
I wore the same outfit as yesterday. Same exact outfit. Because we didn't really go anywhere, so why put it in the wash?
Because, I wore it. At least it doesn't hurt if you wear it for 2 days. But your outfit will get really dirty if you wear it for a lot of days, like I did.
Yeah. Alright. Sorry, guys. I skipped a little bit of the part where we were walking here. Nothing exciting happened. Come on, Clara.
I'm already here.
You are? I don't see you.
I'm by the pandas.
Oh, come inside.
Sorry, I'm just in love with pandas. I really should get one, but it would get sick.
Yeah.
I don't know.
They have to stay in their climate.
I don't even know why I'd put pandas in this.
Yeah. It kind of doesn't make any sense because it gets you too tempted. But I kind of want to get a dog.
I really want a parrot.
I'm going to get a dog. Look, there's only 3 dogs in here. Wonder
And
what
there's
happened.
more cats.
Wonder what happened to the rest of them.
I think a bunch of people took them.
Huh. I just need a bone.
And I'm getting more cats. What's another cat?
No, you don't need another cat.
Sorry, they're so cute. I just really want another one. Which cat is adorable? All of them. I can't choose.
Ugh.
One. Maybe another gray cat.
Alright, that would work.
I'll just tip the dog. A bunch of people wanted the dog to come home.
Yes, I got a dog.
Oh, it's so cute.
It's so adorable. I'm going to name it
The
Blue.
parrots want me.
I'm going to name it Blue, like B-L-U.
All the parrots want me.
That's cute.
They're like, let me see. I might have to get one.
You do have to get one. I mean, don't, though, because you have cats, and that wouldn't really work out.
My cats are the weird type of cats.
What do you mean by weird?
What I mean by weird is they love birds. They're best friends. Look, a bird.
Here, meet me outside, meet me outside.
Okay.
I got something a bird might love.
Not a cookie. Please say not a cookie.
Oh, don't worry, it's even better.
Good, because a cookie would kill them. They are poisoned by cookies.
Come on. Come
Don't
here.
worry. I'm here.
I got some delicious seeds for it to have. Oops.
I'm going to name it Cuckoo. Come here, let's go, Cuckoo.
Cuckoo.
I know it's a weird name, but it's Cuckoo.
You guys have the weirdest names.
I know.
Alright, where's your bird? Where's it?
It's right there.
Hi, bird.
Hey!
I hate birds. I'm allergic.
So you don't have to kill mine.
I just didn't want it to get in the way of our friendship, you know? Because what if you hang out with your bird more than me, and then your bird gets in my way, and I'm going to go home. Sorry.
She's rude.
I heard that.
Well, it's true. I'm going home.
I feel so bad. Why would I do that? I hate birds so much. Why would I do that? That was really rude of me. I have to apologize. But how?
No! She's dead now. Ugh.
I hear her. She seems really mad. I feel so bad. I have to get her a present. Oh, I have a perfect idea. Perfect.
No, I have no friends that live in this neighborhood.
and maybe some seeds. Any seeds. And then I heard she likes heads. So I'm going to get her one that looks really cool. Maybe a dragon head. And, ooh, yes, this is super rare. And I could get her something very special. Dragon's breath. Perfect. She'll totally love this. Hopefully. And a crossbow. That's just perfect. Maybe a shield? Oh, probably shouldn't be saying what I'm getting her out loud. Alright. And that. Now I just have to get this in some sort of box or present thing. What's her favorite color? Probably blue. I mean, if she likes unicorns, she's gotta like blue. Alright. Put that there. And I'm gonna put everything in here. I don't want to put all 64 of these. Actually, I'll put all 64. Maybe like, there we go. And then, there we go. And then, put that there. Okay. So that can go there. This, I only want to give her maybe, I don't know what these are for, so I'll give her 2. And then that, and then she'll love this, but she kind of needs arrows, so I'm going to get her. Oops. Oops. Arrows. Oops. How do you spell arrow? Just get her a bunch of these. Alright. Hopefully she'll like this. Maybe this won't make up for our friendship, but this is literally the best I could do. So at least I tried. Hopefully she likes it, just hopefully. Right. I should go to bed. I have to get changed. Good night, world. Hopefully she likes my gift. Oh, time to give her the gift. I wonder why it was flying. Hopefully she can stay there. Come on, I gotta hurry before she goes anywhere. Wait! Clara! Wow, that's rude. Clara, I'm talking to you.
What?
I got you something. Please take it. Here. I want it to make up for the parrot. Sorry for that. Sit down, dog.
Sure, it's just a really pretty one.
Yes,
Next time I
but
should have got the ugly. Next time I should get the ugly one.
I'm really allergic to birds, and I just wanted to hang out more.
Just because I have a new pet, doesn't mean I won't hang out with you. I have 3 cats and a horse, and I still hang out with you.
What? I can't hear you.
I have 3 cats and a horse, and I still hang out with you.
Yeah, but I'm not allergic to your cats and your horse. I'm allergic to birds. And birds require a lot of work.
No. But
Just let me stand in there with you while you open the gift.
fine.
Okay. Open the gift.
Totem of Undying. Cool.
Uh-huh.
9 parrots.
Just in case one of them you don't like. I mean, some of them you don't like.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Are we still friends?
Yes. Never said we're not.
Yes, you did. I could hear you.
But,
You said you have no friends in this neighborhood. You were being really loud.
always be that.
But I really want you to forgive me. Please.
I do.
That head looks really big on you. It's the size of you. But that Totem of Undying, you know, it's actually pretty special. And there's only 2 in the world. What? You're holding 2. There's only 2 in the world. And I have the other one. So I wanted it to be our friendship charm. Here, let me even dig in my pockets to find it. Oh, here it is. My grandma gave me 2 of these because they were super special to her. And they're actually made of real gold. So I wanted to give you one to show how good of a friend you are. And I don't want to lose that.
Okay. I guess now I probably have almost 100 pets.
You have 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What? The 9 parrots.
You're supposed to have 1. I just gave you 9 just in case you don't like some of them.
I like all parrots.
Alright, whatever.
Oh no, you gave me 18.
What? No, you already had those.
Oh. So, I have a lot of pets.
Well,
Oh, it's so pretty. It's the same bird.
therefore you don't have to place your other ones. Please don't. Achoo!
I don't like it.
Achoo!
I don't like it.
Achoo!
Don't like it.
Achoo!
Love it.
Achoo! Achoo! I'm gonna achoo! Go! Achoo!
Sorry.
Achoo!
Love them.
Achoo!
Time to set you guys all free.
Achoo! I can't breathe. Achoo!
Come on, let's go.
Oh, no. Achoo!
You want seeds?
I don't feel good.
We're going to get some seeds.
Achoo! 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 Oops.
How do I fix that?
Whatever. Today's been a really long day. Maybe I should write into my story. Where's my story? What the flip? Lucky, how did you get inside? I'm so confused. Alright, let me just get into my pockets. Get my book. Oops, I need that. Hey, I finally got my own cat, and I moved in all by myself. Hey, I just moved into my new house, and I met a really fun girl named Brittany. I miss Brittany. Oops. Alright. Hey. Today, I well, killed my best friend's parrot. And I feel really bad about it. But I know I actually think that everyone should get a second chance. That's it. Good night, world. Thanks for forgiving me.